value education class of class 3. Okay, and the chapter I was taking, that is chapter number 4, the ant and the grasshopper. Okay, all of you open page number 30 of your value education book. The question answers from this chapter I have discussed, and today I will discuss about the fill in the blanks in page number 30 that you can see over there. Okay, let's do the fill in the blanks. I will discuss it now. Okay, one beautiful summer day, a lazy Dash was chirping and playing games just as he did every day. So, a lazy, what it will be? A lazy grasshopper was chirping and playing games just as he did every day. A hard-working Dash passed by carrying a big grain of wheat that he was taking back to his nest. So, a hard-working ant, isn't it? A hard-working ant passed by carrying a big grain of wheat that he was taking back to his nest. The Dash said to the ant, the grasshopper said to the ant, all you do is work all day. You should be more like me and play. In the Dash will be play, play. The ant replied, I am storing Dash for the Dash. I am storing food for the, I am storing food for the winter season. You should be doing the same. What will you Dash when the weather gets Dash? What will you eat when the weather gets cold? The Dash laughed. You ants worry too much. Just look around. The grasshopper laughed. The grasshopper laughed. You ants worry too much. Just look around. There's plenty of food. The Dash kept working. The ant kept working. The Dash kept playing. The grasshopper kept playing. And soon winter came. The Dash had prepared for the ant. The ant had prepared for winter and had enough Dash stored in the nest. Had enough food. Had enough food stored in the nest to last through the cold, harsh weather. On the other hand, the Dash could not find any food. On the other hand, the grasshopper couldn't find any food. He realized his foolishness and dashed himself and promised himself that he would dash hard next. He would work hard next summer and save Dash for himself and save food for himself. Okay. So, the fill in the blanks I have discussed. Now turn to page number 31. There you can see the remember part, the 4 points I am reading now. First point, if there is something that you have to do, do not put it off until there is hardly enough time left to do it. Okay. So, when you have something to do that then and there. Okay. Point number 2. Be attentive in class and complete all your work on time. So, you should always be attentive to the class and complete all your work on time. Point number 3. Do not wait till the last date to submit your projects and other assignments. Okay? Keep it in mind, and you should always submit your projects within time. Do not wait until the last date, okay, to submit your project and other assignments. And point number 4, complete your work first and then go out to play and have fun. So, from this story, we come to know that we have to complete our work first, then we can go to play and have fun. Okay. So, this chapter is completed and the next chapter I will start in your next class. Okay. So, today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.